Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'll be replacing the third brake light, Mk1 Tiguan. This body style is between the years of 2009 and 2018. A couple different reasons you might replace it are it's leaking water through it, or the light is just inoperative in itself. So let's get started. As far as tools, this job is pretty simple. You're going to need a wide bone like this, and then a pick if you have the washer sprayer nozzle on the third brake light, just to get the clip disconnected. Real quick, if you guys don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 1,000 followers. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. So looking at the new one that I have, it has been updated. This one's a little darker, and it also has the washer sprayer nozzle right here. My car actually has it on the wiper right here. So if yours is set up like mine and it's on the wiper and it still has this nozzle, don't worry about it. You'll just end up leaving it disconnected. If you do have this, once you get your third brake light out, you'll just have to disconnect it and reconnect it. So just to show you what it looks like before we take it out and how it kind of works, this is the top, and you see that little black tab kind of right there. You got 4 of them. There's another one right there, and right there. And like I said, this is the top side and this is the bottom side. You got 4 metal clips. So when you're coming out, I find the easiest thing to do is take your bone tool and you're going to push down near those 4 clips on top, and it'll fall right out. Alright, so it doesn't really matter which side you start on, so I'm going to go ahead and start on the right side. Get my bone tool in right there. Gonna pop it free. 2, 3, and 4. And it falls out just like that. Alright, and then you're going to have this little connector right here, and there's going to be a tab that you're going to want to pull up like that. And then once you pull that up, at the same time you're going to pull this out. Looking at the new one, what seals it and keeps it watertight is this rubber seal right here. So what I'll do is I'll come to the car and you'll see all this dirt and grime right there. I'll end up taking just a wet rag or something and clean that off so that it makes a good seal. Go ahead and reconnect your connector. And just to show you what it looks like, I cleaned it off. And now all we got to do is put it back in. So go ahead and feed the wire end in first. Get it lined up. And then you're just going to apply even palm pressure. Just like that, all the way across. And that's it. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. Please hit that subscribe button, help me hit 1,000 followers. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.